next tune, I want to give out shout outs to a few fellas because there's no other funk than the funk you're about to hear now. We had the pleasure of using real instruments, and I like to thank Mr. Tommy Meeks on bass, Lester William on drums, David McAfee on saxophone, James Kern on keyboards, and Mr. Ronald Robinson on lead guitar. And this is a little tune we put together called Slow Down. And I'd like to pump it up for y'all a little bit so y'all can kind of get the funk. These guys, we're a bunch of crazy kids doing this, and I can just tell you, it's fun times just listening to it. Just listening to it. Now this guitar solo by Ronald Robinson, man, it leaves a lot to be desired, y'all. Check it out. Slow down, right? Now check out this bass player. His name is Tommy Meeks, and I think he's just running. He's just. And I'm watching everything you do, but I can hear it too much talk around town, and it's about me and you. That's the one music song there, but you're supposed to be mine now. This is the day and age where we use real instruments to get across real emotions and to convey real feelings. And music took on a whole different form of expression for us. We had a chance to really express ourselves through the music, through the songs, and with the instruments. And in that case, we felt we were being used as vehicles, you know, and we just flow free with the music. It's a band by the name of Sugar Hill, and it was one of the first bands that I worked with. I wish all the guys well. I don't know where half of them are now, but hey guys. This next song is bittersweet for me. It's kind of done with not only is the song one of my favorite songs, but the guitar player, who's my former band director, who is now deceased, by the name of Bruce Lee. I think we wanted to capture something that was very intimate, and hopefully we did that. The song is entitled Love Won't Let Me Wait. Love has got me high. Please tell me yes, and don't say no, don't say no, honey. Ooh, get all close to me. Oh, baby, go with yourself, and I will selfishly take a little more myself. I think the song was originally written by Major Harris and recorded by Major Harris. Done by so many artists.
But this is my version of it, and I hope y'all like it as much as I like doing it. Really enjoyed it.
And spend the night.
I think I enjoy it more because it's one of the last pieces that I've done with Mr. Bruce Lee. And it'll always be a special song.
When I'm in love to you, oh, ecstasy, and I won't take the blame. Love won't let me wait. No, no, no.
Rest in peace, Bruce.
Sorry, you know, chop off my neck.
This next song is entitled Spend the Night. What is wrong with you? Don't you need a lover? I call you on the phone. Ain't nobody home. This fantasy is really killing me. Can you try to change? Maybe rearrange. There's so much for you to gain. Don't you know? You know I want to. This is a song that was done by myself and another brother that's not here, by the name of Greg Brown, Dr. Greg Brown. Another one of my homies who lost about 2 years ago. One of the earlier songs that we did, I guess messing around with electronics and drum machines, so you get a little throwback sound in there.